Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Samsung may bring its Galaxy Note back next year, despite the release of Galaxy S22 Ultra which act as a Galaxy Note replacement in 2022, now we may focus on the newest and latest Samsung Galaxy Note series which is likely to be Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra 5G. It likely to come in the market next few months. This new product has many features that the old model did not have. This new device can now be charged wirelessly and it has a much better camera as well as a much larger screen size than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or even S22 Ultra model. The downside, however, is that this device is far more expensive than any other Samsung phone on the market. Samsung has gained a lot of popularity over the years for its perfect brand products at a quite reasonable price. This is why it keeps the trust of enormous consumers throughout the world. Samsung fans have been eagerly awaiting a new flagship phone. The Samsung Note 23 Ultra will be released soon, and it will be the most powerful phone available. It is so powerful that it will easily defeat every other smart device out on the market. This is a simple question that many people are asking. But, as we know, there aren't many rumors on the Galaxy Note 23 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra release date will be the last quarter of the year. We'd like to talk about the display of this phone. This smartphone comes with a big 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. Moreover, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protects the display from any dust or scratches on the screen. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a quad-lens camera on the back, a 108MP primary lens plus 48MP periscope telephoto shooter plus 50MP ultra-wide shooter plus 32MP depth sensor can help you take professional photos. This phone also has a 48MP selfie camera around the front. For long battery life, there is a very large 7600 mAh power source. With this, you can use the phone for a long time without charging it. Moreover, this smartphone supports very fast battery charging. In only a few minutes, you can recharge the battery fully. The operating system is Android 12, which is incredibly advanced and works on 5G networks. This means that regardless of where you are from, you can use it anywhere you want. In addition to this, Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra phone has a processor that will totally satisfy you. In fact, its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset or any other newest chipset available at the time of release. Samsung's new 5G smartphone lets you load apps faster and stream videos better than ever before. It comes with a massive 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and different storage versions of 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. The other option is a microSD card to expand up to 1TB, which is what Samsung fans want. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.